Hi guys, this is sv.trim and this is our first studio video. This channel will be all about our sailing adventures, a big boat rebuild that you can see at the moment, and as well some spearfishing freediving adventures in the future. But without further ado, this is the man who started it all.
Hey guys, my name's Alex. I'm from Australia and I'm 26 years old. I started sailing from quite a young age, accompanying my dad on voyages up and down the east coast of Australia. And as a child, I always dreamed of sailing around the world, exploring new places, snorkeling, and now following my passion, freediving. So in 2013, I bought my first small boat and kind of realised that childhood dream. And now onto our second boat, Trim, with Agatha by my side. We continue to pursue our dream of sailing around the world.
Hi, my name is Agatha. I'm 25 years old. I'm born and raised in Poland. I'm a student of architecture, currently on a gap year. Most of my early years I spent either in a swimming pool or traveling with my family. I've been interested in all sorts of water-related activities, but I had no idea about sailing whatsoever. Not until I met Alex. And yeah, a lot has changed since then, basically my whole life. And I'll start with meeting Alex and the voyage of Trim from east to west, from Turkey to Deltaville, US, where we are now.
I began the journey in March 2017 in Turkey, cruising through the Mediterranean, down the coast of West Africa, visiting Morocco, the Canary Islands where Agatha and I met, Gambia, and Cape Verde, where Agatha joined the voyage. Soon we crossed the Atlantic, which took us 2 weeks. We made landfall in Guadeloupe before working our way up through the Windward Islands and the Bahamas on our way to the Chesapeake, where we are now.
Unfortunately, our sturdy Trim started showing signs of his age, and by the time we reached US, it desperately needed our attention. And that's exactly what we're doing now. Big boat rebuild, as you guys can see.
The list of major jobs for Trim's rebuild includes building an entire new deck, including new beams, servicing all the systems, unstepping and restepping the mast, replacing the chain plate knees, building a new galley benchtop and all new cabinetry, all new upholstery, new electrical wiring, new plumbing, rebuilding our old engine, new cabin sole, and modifying the interior layout for a more comfortable accommodation.
What you can see on the footage has been our progress that we've made during the past 2.5 months. There is about 10 more to go, but we are looking forward to the job every day. Soon more about me and Alex, how we met, and our love story. More about Trim and the voyage we've done so far, as well as refit we are working on right now. Stay tuned!